What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today I'm working on this Audi here. My main man Mitch over there, that's over there sitting right. Looking so good.
Can you do a better intro than that, please?
Alright, let's restart.
I gotta carry him.
Alright guys, what's up? Welcome to the video. Today I'm working on this Audi. This is the A4.
Wrong.
S3. Try again.
S3. Very beautiful car. My main man Mitch over here got everything taken apart. Today I'm starting basically the front bumper. Kind of doing everything reverse order. A lot of the wrap companies like to start with everything else and then the bumpers last. But we kind of been figuring out our method of starting these first because it's easier to get through the car faster and stuff like that. I actually already went ahead and started on this inlay on this side, and I'm basically gonna reciprocate this inlay on this other side here. And then once all that's taken care of, we're gonna start the wrap process on the bumper itself. But other than that, we got a lot of wrap stuff coming today on this video. So just stick along for the ride. Yo, so every once in a while we get these orders that have like random stuff that they want me to draw. For some reason people always like want me to draw some crazy stuff. Today I'm gonna be drawing my rendition of Jefe burning out in the Slam 350Z. So see how that works out.
This is one of the few cars that we're gonna actually wrap without removing the side skirt. So I'll show you guys the process, what I'm gonna do to protect the paint, because there is a little gap right here, right in between the skirt and basically the body of the car. There's a gap right here that we can work with. We're gonna put tape right here so we make sure we don't scratch the paint, and we're gonna use that open space right there to cut the material. It should be very straightforward, so we don't technically have to remove it, but like I said, we usually do. We always remove side skirts. That's kind of normal for us. And some people are gonna ask why we didn't in this case. I just wanted to address it from the beginning. I'll show you something real quick. The back of this Avery material has no logos at all. It's completely blank. So this film is technically not directional, meaning if you place it in different angles or different ways, it's not gonna show. We still think we see it. So we use every film as directional. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut all the panels and then I'm gonna mark them with an arrow, just showing what up is. So we have that all the way around. So everything stays consistent. This looks good. Like I said, it's not directional, but to me it is.
What is going on here? What did you do to that guy?
Who? To who?
Anthony.
Anthony, come look at him.
I thought I told you, you guys can't around until the online store.
He needs content.
That content's gonna be you getting yelled at because that big old number on the whiteboard there.
I was trying to beat me, guys, but can't be
Yeah,
yourself.
this one. The only person I sent home for the day, and you're about to get it the second time.
Damn, man.
That's on the content, not on the edits.
Oh. Jesus Christ.
I'm just kidding, bro.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.
I'm coming.
That hurt.
I'm coming.
That hurt.
I'm coming.
That was one of the meanest things I've ever heard.
Damn, Mitchie. Don't wear. You know what? Wear a G-string tomorrow. You need to make up for wearing
Yeah,
pants.
these pants right here are horrible. This guy never wears pants, and today he has pants on, and he's been putting his foot in everyone's ass today.
Please wear some shants tomorrow.
I would pay to see Mitch and Chance. I'll pay for you $20. Come to Chance tomorrow.
You have to buy. You don't have to buy a pair of pants.
Don't act like you don't have them already.
Yeah, Dad, come on. I have a feeling this is what Mitch wears when
I'm not the one that goes to the river on my weekends, buddy. I don't watch pants.
Did you just throw Mitch under the bus right now?
I did. Oh, my bad.
When were you gonna tell me you're gonna take a day off?
I wasn't. I was hoping you were gonna take the day off too.
Man, I ain't never take days off. I'm like,
He's the guy that like tomorrow coming like, hey dude, I'm actually gonna take the whole next week off, so I'll see you in a week.
I built that into the program. Yeah, I'm spontaneous. What can I say? Yo, by the way,
That was a funny one recently though. You're like, hey dude, Nico's going back to school, so actually tomorrow I'm gonna be out for the rest of the week.
I had to take him to school. Yo, today was a monumental day. It was literally, I drove up, and he's like, Dad, I got this. And I was like, what? He goes, he opens the door, and he gets out of the car, and he runs. I'm like,
Dang.
whoa, that's crazy.
And then you started crying?
Oh, bro, I was f***ing balling, bro. I see him running till he turned into a little dot, dude. I watched him all the way into the quad, just run.
How
through.
big is that school?
It's huge, bro. It's huge. I see this little kid. It looks like a little baby running into a school with big ass kids around him. They go up to 6th grade in the school. So he's with 6th graders.
All schools, bro.
Wait, that's every.
When I went to school, it was 5th grade. It was 1st and 5th, and then 6th, 7th, 8th was junior high.
Really?
It was kindergarten to 6th grade is our school.
Not mine.
Junior high was 6, 7.
Junior high is
Yeah,
no,
junior
no
high
what?
is
7, 8.
Junior high is 7th and 8th grade.
Nah, bro.
Comment down below what junior high 7th, 8th grade is. Johnny's working on this bad boy still. He looks super excited, right, Johnny?
Yeah, sure, dude. Whatever. Sure.
You right?
Yeah.
Oh, is that a tear?
No. What? Just allergies, bro. It's allergies.
Okay.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog.
I hate that you have like a little hype crew behind you.
Dude, everybody gives me
I'll be hype crew,
my
bro.
whole life, I've always had a hype team behind me, so.
Nice brag, bro.
I always have. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog.
Technically, they're not back to the vlog. They're just in the vlog.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the segment of the vlog. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog.
Wait, don't close the window on me. I didn't do anything.
You out.
Hey,
He's like this. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog.
Get that disgusting beard on me.
What a thing.
we tried it. Mitch, why did you close the window on me? I didn't do anything to you.
can't hear you. Sorry.
Hey, this is better than the office you have. What's going on here, Mitch?
Alright, so as Johnnee and Daniel finish up the Audi, I am starting on our next project, which is a full wrap on a 2017.
Whoa. I mean, you took a step back and I got kind of scared.
Run! It's Godzilla!
I'm sorry.
Whoa. Anyways, I got a gnarly headache today. Daniel's being really annoying and he might be the cause of the headache, but who knows. So I'm kind of just doing my own thing. I got Edwin here shadowing me on the Civic, so we're gonna be taking this thing apart, so we'll be ready for wrap first thing tomorrow. Jefe is telling me that we're not gonna film disassembly on this one. We're going back to wrapping the Audi.
Thank you guys for making it to the end of the vlog. We've been really having a lot of fun putting all these videos out, so if you guys are really enjoying it, make sure you guys go down the bottom and comment what you guys thought. Other than that, just a friendly reminder that we are almost hitting 200,000 subscribers, and when we do, we're gonna give away a car wrap for absolutely free. Yes, you heard it right. We are gonna drive to you, fly to you, do anything to make sure that we can go wrap your vehicle for absolutely free. So make sure you guys go into the description and sign up. We are gonna be in Vegas this Friday and Saturday for Tuna Tokyo's event on Saturday, which is the 25th. We're gonna have a booth out there. We're just gonna be doing a big show with Tuna Tokyo. We're gonna have live rapping, raffles. We're gonna give away a bunch of stuff. We're gonna be there. So make sure you guys come by and say what's up. And if you guys do want to purchase tickets to the show, make sure you guys use discount code PREMIUMFAM for an awesome little discount. So other than that, yeah, we'll see you guys.